Hi everyone, and today me and Eugene are going to IKEA, so it's IKEA vlog. First came to a cafe, frozen, and Americano and cookie.
Get that cookie because she's not offering me.
I like it.
One cookie I don't like is the cheese cookie.
2 more cookies. 3 more cookies. Waiting. Ew, smells like shit. Do you feel it?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Can you feel my outfit? I'm matching IKEA today. Weekends we turn chopped. What you say? This is what we need. Oh my god, she's serving IKEA content.
And the apple sauce, right?
This is what we got: meatballs, salmon fillet, 1 chicken leg, and chocolate.
I was so obsessed with the mashed potatoes in IKEA.
Did you see how being trying to be nonchalant?
Always got when I came here. Starting from the cream puff. You know what's gonna be good? Cream on top of this, the apple pie.
Here you're gonna cream on top of
She's so crazy like that.
You like it? Wait, did you show here the cream puff?
No.
You only care about yourself.
I'm sorry.
Apple pie and the chocolate cake are really good. This puff was like, it's just bread and... Okay, this was the IKEA mukbang. I hope you like it. Bye.
Bye.
She's having...
Then I get fucking inspired. Then I move on. And then I bring the freaking paintbrush and start fucking painting. And that's my If you weren't ready, you wouldn't have the opportunity. If you weren't ready, you wouldn't have the opportunity.